Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to set up private emails on Namecheap. You can easily start by logging into your Namecheap account and purchasing an email hosting plan if you haven't already done so. You can choose from various plans based on your needs and budget. Once you have purchased the email hosting plan, log into your Namecheap account and navigate to the dashboard. If you have already registered a domain with Namecheap, go to the domain list section and select the domain you want to use for your private email. In the dashboard, find the email section or similar. Look for options like email hosting, private email, or professional email and click on it. Once you are in the email hosting section, you will typically find an option to create email accounts associated with your domain. Click on Add New Email Account or similar. You will be prompted to enter the details for your new email account, including the username, password, mailbox. Fill in this information accordingly. Depending on your setup, you may need to configure your DNS settings to ensure that emails sent are correct. Namecheap usually provides clear instructions on how to do this within your account dashboard. Once everything is set up, you can access your email account via web provided by Namecheap, or you can configure it with an email client like Outlook, Thunderbird, or others. This can be done on your smartphone. Depending on your plan, you might have access to additional features such as calendars, contacts, and file storage. Explore your dashboard to see what is available and set up any features you need. Finally, send a test email to your new email address to make sure it works. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.